Eurovac also offers pressure washers for in-bay detailing facilities or car washes. This setup right here has a gun holster, your pressure washer gun here. Simple use, you simply pull the trigger, which will spray your water, allowing you to clean the exterior vehicles. This setup right here is on a 360 boom, allowing you to access all sides of the vehicle for ease of cleaning and a better detailing of those vehicles. That's the Eurovac pressure washer. If you want more information, please feel free to call us at 1-800-265-3878 or visit our website, www.eurovac.com, or feel free to email us, info@eurovac.com.